Hello everyone, welcome back, and I wanted to film a quick intro for this video. It's a very personal video to me. It was something that I kind of came up with and created for my boyfriend, and I walk you through in a vlog style how I achieved this cool adult fort. And I did a little research online and saw a couple of different kid forts or kid tents that you could buy, and then I took that and enlarged it, and I came up with this really cool cozy just little adult fort for us for Valentine's Day. So the rest of this video is in a very vlog style format, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is just a quick update before I actually complete the project, but I managed to kind of get the skeleton of this fort completed, and I just wanted to update you all on it. So here's what it looks like. I'm absolutely super thrilled with it. I think my boyfriend's gonna enjoy it. So yeah, let me walk you through kind of what I ended up doing. So yes, this pretty much takes up the whole living room, and it's made of PVC pipes. But what I ended up doing is I just went back out and got more shears from Goodwill, and this is going to be the entrance. I have to fix this particular panel so that you can just come in, and then there's going to be a ton of pillows and just comfortableness, but I managed to cover the whole entire thing minus the TV, which I still have to kind of play around with it a little bit, because I do like, that is the primary reason why this fort is being built, so that we can kind of just relax as we celebrate Valentine's Day. I might fix this just a little bit and get it tucked in on the actual day, but yeah. So just kind of the overview of it. I still have to figure out how to attach like a ceiling, but that is going to be coming very soon. So this is definitely a project that I had in my head and I really wanted to kind of just accomplish. And I ended up telling my boyfriend about it because the logistics about PVC pipe and cutting it and trying to figure out the dimensions of his apartment were a little bit more complicated and something that I'm not totally used to doing. So I think it turned out pretty good. I really like it. I can't wait to show you guys the final product. It's gonna be so exciting. So I managed to put the roof on, and this is kind of what it looks like, and it's this dark blue fabric. So I'm just gonna go in, and then you kind of have just this like overview of it, and it looks really nice. And then there's a TV.